All right, I'm going to answer a few versions of this question, and this one says the value of d is a distance of 3.5 units from -6 on the number line. Which numbers, if any, could be the value of d? And I have the number line here, and we're talking about units from -6. So I counted -6 to the left of 0, and I'm going to go 3.5 units on either side of it. So there should be two answers here, which is why we have two boxes. And the first answer, I'm going to go in red. It's going to be 1, 2, 3.5 right there. So that's 6. This is -6, and that's -7, -8, -9, and that should be -9.5. So this right here should be -9.5. And then on the other side, we have to go 3, 1, 2, 3, but then a half right there. And what are we talking about there? We're talking about -6, -5, -4, -3, -2. That's -2.5 right there. So that would be -2.5. And now we can see that that was the right answer. So here's another one, very similar. The value of W is 6.5 units from -4 on the number line. Which numbers, if any, could be the value of W? So I have -4 here, so 4 spaces to the left of 0, and I'm going to go 6.5 units to the left. So I'll do that in red. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.5. So where does that put us? That's 4, -4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.5. This value is -10.5. And if I go 6 to the right, maybe I'll do that in blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.5. What is that? Well, that's 2 right there, right? Because that's 1. And so that means that this location here would have to be 2.5, positive 2.5. And we see once again that was the correct response. And we could put the positive one on the right, the negative one on the right. You know, it really doesn't matter which order you put them in as long as you put in both of those answers. That's it.